You're stuck in traffic on the Karachi-Hyderabad highway. But what if I told you there's a train that doesn't just move fast, it literally flies above the tracks? No wheels, no friction, just pure floating power. This isn't magic. It's superconductors. Certain materials, when cooled to extreme temperatures, lose all electrical resistance and become magnetic levitation machines. Japan's Maglev train hit 603 kilometers per hour using this tech. That's Lahore to Islamabad in under 40 minutes. But here's the problem. Cooling those materials eats massive energy. Think giant freezers on every train car. So scientists spent decades chasing a holy grail, a superconductor that works at room temperature. They found one. In 2020, a team created a material that superconducts at 21 degrees. For Pakistan, this means trains that could crisscross the country without a single power line touch. Quiet, fast, no diesel fumes, but the catch is making it affordable at scale. Imagine stepping onto a train in Lahore and floating across Punjab at the speed of a jet with zero emissions. That's the promise. Which video should you watch next? The one about the flying cars that's already